all know something. Friend, tell me what you have to say. Who's your favorite parent? Who's your favorite? Oh, no, you don't want to commit. I appreciate that. Yeah. Is that a big yawn?
Who's your favorite?
Don't get carried away.
Who's your favorite of all time? Say mama. Mama.
Can I ask an important question? Who should buy Mama jewelry? Who? Tell me, who should buy Mama some jewelry? Excuse me. Who should buy Mama some jewelry? Who? Who should buy Mama jewelry?
Da. Da.
Is that who should buy Mama jewelry? Maybe a nice ring? Who should take Mama on vacation? Who should take Mama on vacation?
Who should take mama on vacation? Should it be da da? Should it be da da? Who should buy mama dinner tonight? Who should buy mama dinner tonight?
Is my Rob gonna make Mama dinner? Oh yeah. Is that who's gonna make Mama dinner?